Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. Yeah, I know it's been a while and I've been super busy, but I'm back now. Yay! So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple and amazing recipe of pickled beets infused with thyme. If you want to know how to make this amazing recipe of pickled beetroots infused with thyme, please keep watching. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 fresh beets or beetroots, two tablespoons of brown sugar. Feel free to use white sugar if that's what you've got at home. A few sprigs of thyme, again this is optional, and 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 4 tablespoons of cider vinegar, half a liter of water, of course, a jar. Now I'm gonna make the pickling solution. I'm gonna start by transferring the vinegar, sea salt, sugar and water into a pan and throw in the fresh sprig of thyme. I'll leave this to cook on low heat until the sugar and salt dissolves. I'm gonna stir from time to time with a wooden spoon. Now that the salt and sugar has dissolved and the thyme has infused into the pickling solution, I'm gonna take the pickling solution off the cooker. Next, I'm gonna rinse the beetroots to get rid of the debris and soil. Then I'm gonna cut off the tops. Over here, I've got my steamer ready with hot boiling water. I've cut the beets into quarters and I'm gonna carefully place them in the steamer, making sure each beet is laying flat in the steamer. Now it's 20 minutes later and this was me poking the beets with a fork to check if it's cooked to my satisfaction. I didn't want them to be too soft or undercooked. This was the perfect texture. Next, I'm going to transfer the beets into a bowl and wait for them to cool down. This is what the beetroots look like after they have completely cooled down. Next, I'm gonna peel off the skin, but first I need to get my gloves ready as I do not want my fingers to get stained. I'm not gonna use a knife, I'll simply scrape the skin off using my fingers. Now that I'm done taking the skin off the beetroots, this is what they look like. Next, I'm gonna cut the peeled beetroots into bite size. Now that I'm done cutting the beets, this is what they look like. And I just realized that I forgot to put on my gloves and my fingers got stained. Now I'm going to start the pickling process by transferring the beetroots into the jar. Now that that's done, I'm going to transfer the pickling solution into the jar using a funnel. Then I'm going to throw in the sprigs of thyme and seal the jar. Just take a look at that color. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm gonna store my jar of pickled beets infused with thyme in the refrigerator for a couple of days for the pickling solution to infuse properly into the beetroots. Although this can be eaten immediately, but I prefer to leave it for a couple of days so by that time it's more flavorful. It's 2 days later and it's time to take the beets out of the jar. Just from opening the jar, I could smell the thyme infused beetroots and the smell was lovely. I'm just going to take out a few to show you what they look like. So this is what my thyme infused pickled beetroots look like. And guess what? This was one of the best pickled beets I've ever had. And the good thing about this recipe is that the beetroots can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, which is amazing. Also, pickled beetroots can be eaten on their own as a snack or in salads, and the juice can be used as a salad dressing. In the following clips, I'm going to show you how I eat my pickled beets. So in this clip, I made a nice bowl of salad with greens, tofu, and the star of the show was pickled beets infused with thyme, pomegranates, bean sprouts, and for the dressing, I added sriracha sauce to the pickled beets juice, and it tasted fantastic. In the second clip, I've got some greens, alfalfa sprouts, homemade fermented jalapeno peppers, which is in my channel, and I'm gonna link it somewhere above this video so you can take a look. I've also got chickpeas, tomatoes, pickled beetroots infused with thyme, air-fried sweet potatoes, and air-fried cauliflower. And again, the salad dressing was the pickled beet juice mixed with sriracha, and again, the result was amazing. So, I guess we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And the full recipe can be found in the description box below. Also, if you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Take care. See you next time. Bye.